Hello and welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I will show you how to add page numbers in Adobe InDesign. So let's get started the video. Open your InDesign documents. To apply page numbers consistently, we will use master pages. Open the Pages panel by going to Window and then Pages. Double-click on a master to edit the master pages. Now we will add the page numbers. Select the Type tool from the toolbar and draw a text box where you want the page number to appear. Go to the Type in the top menu, then insert a special character. Then click on Markers and choose Current Page Number. You will see an A appear in the text box, which represents the page number. To format the page numbers, use the character panel to change the font, size, and color to match your document's style. Finally, apply the master pages to your document. In the Pages panel, click and drag the A master icon onto the pages you want to number. You will see that each page now displays the correct page number. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.